All right, let's get into it. Today we're looking at a really exciting open source project called the langgraph-agentic-scaffold. Now, if you've ever tried building a complex AI agent system, you know the hardest part is just getting started. Well, this project is designed to be the absolute best foundation you can get. And they're not messing around. The mission here is crystal clear. This isn't just a random pile of code. It's a proper, foundational template built with real architectural best practices. The whole idea is to stop you from reinventing the wheel so you can just jump straight to the fun part, building your awesome new agent. So let's pop the hood and see what makes it tick. The entire philosophy is about being modular and easy to extend. Think of it less like a finished product and more like a high-quality set of Legos just waiting for you to build something incredible with it. At its heart is a really smart and simple idea. You have specialists, which are like your expert team members. One's a coder, one's a writer, you get the idea. Each does one thing really well. Then you have the orchestrator, who's basically the project manager, telling all the specialists who does what and when. Simple, right? And you can see this professional-grade thinking everywhere. It's built API first with Fast API, so it's ready to plug into other systems. It's got observability with Langsmith baked right in, which, let me tell you, is a lifesaver for debugging. Plus, it uses smart patterns like pydantic schemas to make sure everything is reliable and flexible from the get-go. Okay, this part right here is a total game changer. The entire structure of your agent system, all its specialists, all its prompts, lives in one single YAML file. You want to try a different model or add a new skill? You just edit the config file. No more digging through Python code just to make a simple change. It's so fast. Which brings us to the best part. Actually adding your own custom skills to the system. This is where the scaffold truly shines, because it makes creating a new specialist ridiculously easy. And when I say easy, I mean it. It's literally just 3 steps. 1, make a Python file for your logic. 2, write a simple markdown file for the prompt. And 3, tell the system about it in that config file we just talked about. That's it. You've just taught your agent a new trick. And this clean separation is what makes it so beautiful to work with. Your logic, your prompts, and your system's overall configuration are all kept in their own neat little boxes. It's exactly the kind of setup you want for a project that you expect to grow and change over time. And to make sure everything you build fits in perfectly, the project gives you some really helpful best practices. Think of them as guardrails. They're just there to ensure your new components work smoothly with everything else, making your whole system more stable and reliable. So it's really easy to get started, but don't mistake simple for simplistic. This scaffold comes with some seriously powerful patterns already built in for when you need to handle more complex, real-world problems. For instance, you actually have 2 different kinds of specialists you can build. The standard one is driven by an LLM, and it's perfect for things that need creativity or reasoning. But for tasks that need to be done the exact same way every time, like integrating a tool, you can build a procedural specialist that's just pure code, no LLM involved. It's way more efficient and reliable for those jobs. Another key pattern here is plan and execute. Now, this is so important. Instead of just letting an LLM run wild with a tool, you first have it generate a clear, structured plan. Then, a separate step executes that plan. This 2-step process makes using tools so much safer, more reliable, and way, way easier to debug when things go wrong. And of course, a project like this is all about the community. The whole reason it's an open core is so that everyone can build on this solid foundation and, contribute their own cool ideas back. So yeah, this is basically an open invitation for you to jump in. So what makes a good contribution? The thinking is pretty simple. It should be generic enough that lots of people find it useful. It needs to be modular so it's easy to understand and work with. And of course, it should follow modern Python best practices. And actually contributing isn't some scary, complicated thing. It's the standard, super friendly GitHub workflow you probably already know and love. Just open an issue, fork the code, make your changes, and send a pull request. It's designed to be that easy to get involved. Okay, before we wrap up, we have to talk about something that is absolutely critical: security. This project gives an LLM the power to execute code on your machine. So please, and this is non-negotiable, always run this in a secure, sandboxed environment like a Docker container. Seriously. So there you have it. A powerful architecture, a super clear way to contribute, and just incredible flexibility. The langgraph-agentic-scaffold is basically ready and waiting for your ideas. So the only real question is, what new specialist are you going to build?